Good morning, students. Welcome to our video of standard 8, chapter number 6, combustion and flame, part 1. What is combustion? First of all, tell me, what is combustion? Jalna. Okay. Commonly, we used to say that only. It is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen and gives heat, that is called combustion, right? A chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen and gives heat, that is called combustion. Okay, what is the fuel? What is fuel? The substance that undergoes combustion, it is called fuel, right? जो चीज़ जलती है, that is fuel, and that process is called combustion. Okay, we use different kinds of fuel for various purposes, right? We use wood, petrol, diesel, CNG, LPG, right? These are all fuels which undergo combustion. Okay. In standard 6th, 7th, right, we have seen about combustion. We have learned that magnesium burns to form magnesium oxide and produces heat and light. So what is this? This is combustion. We can perform a similar activity with a piece of charcoal. Hold the piece with tongs and burn it near the flame. Now what will you observe? We will find that charcoal will burn in air. And what will it produce? It will produce heat, light, and also the carbon dioxide. Right? So, a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. And the substance that undergoes combustion, it is combustible substance and it is called fuel. The fuel may be in any state of matter, that is solid, liquid or gas. Light. Sometimes light is also given off during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. Right? It is not necessary the light will produce, but mostly light is also produced during combustion, either in the form of flame or it will just glow. So the charcoal, the magnesium, these are all combustible substance. Combustible means जो जल सकती है, the substance which can be used for combustion, they are called combustible substance. Collect activity 6.1. Collect some materials like straw, matchsticks, kerosene, paper, right? And try to burn. If this burn, they are combustible. Otherwise, they are non-combustible substance. Like you see here, iron nails, stone piece, glass, these all things will not burn. So they are called non-combustible substances. Okay, activity 6.2. It is the activity to show that air is necessary for combustion. Air means the oxygen from the air, right? The oxygen, it is very necessary for combustion. अगर combustion को oxygen मिलना बंद हो जाएगा air में से, then it will stop. For that, activity is shown. Take a candle, burn it, उसके ऊपर एक ग्लास उल्टा रख दो. What will happen? नीचे से उसके ऊपर वुडन स्टिक्स है कि हवा जा सकती है. इन पिक्चर ए यू कैन सी इट. उसके नीचे से जगह है सो दैट एयर कैन कम, तो वो चालू रहेगी. नाउ अगर उसको पूरा बंद कर दिया कंप्लीटली, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? यस, थोड़ी देर चालू रहेगी. द फ्लेम विल देयर फॉर सम टाइम. कितनी देर रहेगी वो? जितनी देर उसको वो ग्लास में जितना ऑक्सीजन है उतना मिलेगा, उतनी देर वो रहेगी. एंड देन इट विल turn off. Why? Because it will not find air, the oxygen. Okay, so we find that for combustion air is necessary. The candle burns freely in case A, where air can enter the chimney from below. In case B, when air does not enter, the flame will flickers and produce smoke. Smoke भी निकलता है जब complete combustion नहीं होता है. In case C, the flame finally goes off because the air is not available. From this, we can say that oxygen or air is necessary for combustion. Another thing we can say is smoke is produced when there is incomplete combustion. Right? Proper amount of oxygen is not provided, then there will be smoke in the flame. Otherwise, there will not be smoke. Right? 6.3. Place a piece of burning wood or charcoal on an iron plate. Cover it with a glass jar or a tumbler. Observe what happens. Thus, it will stop burning after some time. Can you think the reason? Yes, because it is covered. Okay. You might have heard that when the clothes of a person catch fire, the person is covered with a blanket to extinguish fire. Why? देखा होगा आपने कि उसको ब्लैंकेट से कवर कर देते हैं. Why blanket? ब्लैंकेट में से एयर पास नहीं हो सकती है, तो एयर नहीं मिलेगी तो कंबशन अपने आप बंद हो जाएगा. राइट? Now recall some of your experiences. Does a matchstick burn by itself? Matchstick अपने आप जलती है? नहीं, उसको आपको रब करना पड़ता है ना, तभी वो जलती है. You might have had an experience of burning a piece of paper. Does it burn when a burning matchstick is brought near it? बाजू में से नहीं होगा. When it touch, it will start burning. Okay. Can you burn a piece of wood just by matchstick? No. जैसे पेपर को जला सकते, वुड को क्या डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही जला देंगे? नहीं, वुड के लिए या तो केरोसिन चाहिए या तो पेपर चाहिए. राइट? कुछ चाहिए तभी वो जलता है. ओके, व्हाट इज फॉरेस्ट फायर? डू यू नो? जब हीट बहुत बढ़ जाती है तो जो सूखी ड्राई ग्रास, सूखे जो पत्ते ग्रास होते हैं, दैट विल कैच फायर ड्यू टू एक्सट्रीम हीट. वो अपने आप इतनी गर्मी होती है कि वो फायर पकड़ लेते हैं. एंड इट विल स्प्रेड टू द होल फॉरेस्ट वेरी फास्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉरेस्ट फायर. So from this, what can you say? Can you say that different substances catch fire at different temperatures? है ना? Why? पेपर है वो सिर्फ मैचस्टिक से जल जाता है. While for wood or coal you need something more, कि वो ज़्यादा देर गर्म होगा उसके बाद जलना शुरू होगा. It means that different substances will catch fire at different temperature. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. What is ignition point? At the lowest temperature, when a substance catch fire, That temperature is called the ignition temperature of that substance. हर एक सब्सटेंस की अलग अलग होती है इग्निशन पॉइंट, राइट? कोई जल्दी जलता है, कोई थोड़ी देर गर्म होगा उसके बाद जलना शुरू होगा. So that is called the ignition temperature. A history of a matchstick is given. You can read it once, okay? And then we will go ahead. As we have started today, we will not do more. In the next video, we will see that what are types of combustion and how can we control fire and all that things. Homework is to read the lesson once. Okay, thank you.